In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh an Excel sheet, a simple yet essential task for anyone working with data that updates regularly. Let's dive right into the process, making sure you can follow along every step of the way. First off, we'll need to navigate to the free Microsoft 365 online suite, which includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. It's a handy tool for those who need to access their Office tools on the go without needing to install the full versions on every device. Simply search for free Microsoft 365 online in your web browser, and it should be one of the top results. Once you're on the page, you'll see an option to sign in. If you already have a Microsoft account, this is where you will enter your details. Clicking on Sign In will take you to the login page. Here you'll be prompted to input your email associated with your Microsoft Office account. Make sure to type it in carefully to avoid any typos that could prevent you from logging in. After entering your email, you'll click on Next. It might prompt you for a password or send you a verification code, depending on your account's security settings. This is a standard procedure to ensure the security of your account, so follow the instructions as directed. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be using an example Excel file. This could be any Excel document you're working on that needs to be refreshed. In most cases, you would already have this file opened, but if not, now is the time to locate it on your OneDrive or local device and open it in Excel Online. Now, here comes the crucial part that you're here for: refreshing your Excel sheet. Unlike the desktop version where you might press F5 or go through a sequence of ribbon commands, refreshing an Excel sheet online is refreshingly simple. Look for the refresh icon, which is usually located at the top left corner of your browser window. It's the same icon you'd use to refresh any web page. Clicking this icon essentially refreshes the entire web page, including the Excel sheet you're working on. This action prompts Excel Online to reload the document, which is particularly useful if you're working with data that's being updated in real time, say from connected sources or other collaborators. Here's a pro tip. If you're collaborating on a shared document and you've been told updates have been made, using the refresh icon ensures you're looking at the latest version of the document. It's a quick and straightforward way to ensure the data you're analyzing is up to date. Remember, this refresh method is for when you're using Excel Online. The process might differ slightly if you're using the desktop app, where you would typically use data refresh options within Excel itself. Refreshing your Excel sheet online is as simple as that. With just a few clicks, you can ensure you're working with the most current data available to you. This not only helps in maintaining the accuracy of your work, but also improves collaboration among team members, making sure everyone has access to the most recent version of documents. In summary, starting with logging into your Microsoft 365 account, locating your Excel file, and finally refreshing the page, you now know the simple steps to refresh an Excel sheet online. It's a handy little trick that can make a big difference in managing and updating your data effectively. That wraps up our quick guide on how to refresh an Excel sheet. Whether you're crunching numbers, analyzing data, or collaborating on a project, keeping your data current is key. And now you're well equipped to do just that, ensuring you and your team are always on the same page. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tips and tricks.